Hello and welcome back to our channel English Hour. In this vocabulary series, we are discussing some words related in dictionary order. In this video, we will complete all the important words from A to Z. So guys, if you new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and share it to your friend. So let's begin. Acute. There are three meanings of acute. The first is very serious or severe. The world is facing acute environmental problems. The second meaning is very sensitive or well developed. Dogs have an acute sense of smell. The third meaning is intelligent and quick to notice and understand simply. He is an acute observer of the social signs. Adapt. Adapt means make or become suitable for a purpose. It took him a while to adapt himself to his new surroundings. The next word is addict. Addict means doing or using something as a habit. Daily addicts will need to splash out on expensive HTTP sets. Additional. Additional means more than was first mentioned or is usual. The government provided an additional 25 million rupees to expand the service. The next word is additive. Additive means substance added in small amount to improve color, flavor or preserve food, etc. Color is often an additive in foods. Address. There are two meanings of address. The first is speech or lecture given to an audience. Today PM Modi will address the people about COVID-19 situations. The second meaning I think you all know. If you know, then write in the comment section below. The next word is adapt. Adapt means good at doing something that is quite difficult. Or you can simply say proficiency at something. He became adept at getting even the shyest student to talk. Adequate. Adequate means enough in quantity or good enough in quality for a particular purpose or need. Does the procedure provide adequate safeguards against corruption? Adhere. Adhere means to stick firmly to something. Clean the surface first or the paint will not adhere. The next word is adherent. Adherent means a supporter or followers of a party, person, agreement and opinion. She has long been an adherent of the Communist Party. The next word is adjacent. Adjacent means next to or near something. There is a row of houses immediately adjacent to the factory. Adjoin. Adjoin means to be next to or joined to something. A barn adjoins the farmhouse. The next word is adjourn. Adjourn means to stop a meeting or an official process, especially a trial, for a period of time. The trial has been adjourned until next week. The next word is adjure. Adjure means to ask or to order somebody to do something. He adjured them to tell the truth. The last word is administer. Administer means to manage and organize the affairs of a company, an organization, a country, etc. The pension funds are administered by commercial banks. If I have done something in this video, then give your feedback in the comment section below. I will try to address that issue in my next video. Thank you.